How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to show you how to do this. All right, so today we're going to be showing you how to install red line tuning hood struts. These are available at TacomaBeast.com. You guys are going to be able to find the links on the description down below. So let's take a look at what comes inside the box. A pair of gas springs, a pair of black powder coated fender brackets, a pair of black coated hood brackets, and 8 multi-grip rivets. Now that you saw what's inside the package, let me show you the tools required for this install. A power drill, 3/16 drill bit, a fine permanent marker, tape measure, masking tape, hammer and center punch, touch-up paint, and finally a rivet gun capable of 3/16 rivets. All right, so let's get straight into it. First step, you're gonna grab your tape measure, you're gonna get the end of it and put it right on top of your hood hinge and measure exactly 19 inches. So what we're gonna do now is apply blue painter's tape right here so you guys can see exactly where the markings are gonna go. I suggest you guys do the same. All right, so now that we have the 19-inch marking, we're gonna align that with the edge of our bracket. Now there's a second measurement that we need to get, and it's gonna go from the edge of your hood to the base of your bracket. That's gonna be exactly 2.5 inches right here. We're gonna go ahead and do that marking. Now that the 19-inch mark has been done and the 2.5-inch mark has been done, we're gonna align our hood bracket, and we're gonna use our Sharpie to mark the 2 holes that we're gonna use to drill into the hood. Now you're going to use your center punch and your hammer to tap in the center of the 2 markings you just made. This will help guide your drill bit and keep it in place. So we're ready to move on to the next step. You're gonna get your 3/16 drill bit. Before we proceed, you're gonna wanna make sure you get your tape and mark it 1/4 inch down from the tip of your drill bit so that you don't puncture all the way in to the other side of your hood. Next, we're gonna go ahead and remove our tape, and we recommend you guys use touch-up paint because you don't want these holes to get all rusty in the future. Now that the paint has dried, we're gonna proceed to install our hood bracket by using the supplied rivets. Before you install your rivet, make sure that the ball stud is facing away from the engine bay. With the bracket in place, insert a rivet through the bracket and hole with the long stem sticking outward. Now we're going to use our rivet gun to apply the rivet by simply inserting it into the stem and squeezing until it breaks off. Now we're going to apply our second rivet. It's gonna be a snug fit. Next, we're going to remove this fender trim piece by using a flathead screwdriver and removing this pin. Now we're able to just simply slide this fender piece right off. We're gonna put it off to the side and later install it the same way it came off. Moving on to the next step, we're gonna be installing the fender bracket. All right, so now we're gonna get the first measurement, and that's gonna be 12.5 inches, starting from this L bracket that we see here. It was right behind the trim plate we just removed. So you're gonna apply the end of your measuring tape and measure exactly 12.5 inches. As you guys can see, I've already applied our blue painter's tape, and right now I'm gonna make the marking. The fender bracket will be positioned starting from the line past the 12.5 mark we just made. The ball stud should be pointing inward toward the engine and lower than the mounting point. Mark the center of the 2 holes. Now you're going to get your center punch and your hammer and tap directly in the center of the 2 markings you just made. This will help to guide the drill bit. Now we're going to drill our 3/16 hole. Now we're going to remove the tape and apply our paint correction. Now it's time to install the fender bracket by using the 2 rivets supplied. Now we're going to use our rivet gun to install our rivets. Once complete, we're going to reinstall our plastic trim piece by simply prying it into place. Don't forget to use your pin. Now we're going to be installing the gas springs with the cylinder at the top. You're going to want to make sure that the sockets snap onto the ball studs. Now that the gas spring has been installed on the passenger side, it's time to repeat the same process on the driver's side. Before we let you go, I want to let you know of the 2 different options that are available. We constantly get asked this question and I want to make sure I tell you the difference. Your first option is the Quick Lift Plus. It's an all-black system including black powder coat hardware and black E-coated gas springs with a 4-year warranty. Your second option is a Quick Lift Elite. It's the same as the Plus, except the gas springs are polished stainless steel and have a 5-year warranty. Both systems will install and operate the same. The links will be in the description down below. With that said, if you guys would like a quick lift system, we're actually giving one away. Leave us a comment letting us know what state you're from. Let's see if we can get all 50 states to check in. The winner's comment will be pinned 5 days after this video has been uploaded. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure to do so, and I will see you guys in the next video.